All right, let's talk about DIY branding tools. Canva, AI tools like ChatGPT, they are everywhere. And I love them. But here's the thing. While they can be super helpful, they also have their limits. Hi, I'm Jorge. So today I want to share my opinion on DIY branding versus hiring a professional. I also want to share with you my opinion on when it's smart to DIY and when it's worth investing in expert help. Let's dive in. So, DIY tools. I get it. They are fast, they are affordable, and they let you take control of your brand. And honestly, they are fantastic for things like social media posts, quick flyers, and even brainstorming. I use them all the time, but they can't do everything. I mean, let's be real. DIY tools give you templates, but they don't teach you a strategy. They don't help you build a brand that's truly unique and scalable. They make things look nice, but looking nice and being effective, they are two different things. Now, here's where DIY can get a little tricky and dangerous. I've seen so many entrepreneurs dive headfirst into Canva or website builders without really thinking about their strategy. And what happens? Inconsistency, confusion, and a lot of rework down the line. Some common DIY branding pitfalls I have seen are: number one, inconsistency everywhere. One day you're using pink, the next day you're using blue. Your audience doesn't really know what to expect from you. Number two, messaging that doesn't resonate. DIY tools don't know your audience the way you do. So your messaging can feel off. And number three, time wasted fixing mistakes. And trust me, fixing DIY mistakes later costs you way more than doing it right the first time. And let's be honest, have you ever tried DIYing something only to realize halfway through that you are way out of your breath and you are out of your alley? I know, I have been there too. Now, I'm not saying that you should stop using DIY tools completely. Far, far from that. But there are certain times when bringing in a professional can make a world of difference. And in my opinion, here is when you should consider getting expert guidance. Number one, when you're launching your brand and want a solid foundation. Number two, if you're scaling up and you need everything to look consistent and professional. And number three, when your brand isn't just getting the results that you want. The great thing is, you don't really need to hire a full-time designer. I know it can be costly. However, sometimes all you need is a consultant to guide you the right direction. Sometimes all you need is someone to help you avoid costly mistakes. All right. So what's the best approach? Honestly, I will say it's a mix of both. DIY tools are amazing for getting things done quickly and affordable, but also professionals can help refine and elevate what you have already started. So, how to combine DIY and professional help? Use DIY tools for social media graphics, blog posts, and presentations, internal presentations. And use professional help for defining your brand story, creating storytelling, designing logos, and setting visuals guidelines. Think of it like this. DIY tools are like the great recipe, but a professional is like having a chef to fine tune this recipe to perfection. So here is my advice. If you're using DIY tools, that's great. Just make sure you are using them strategically and not just picking random templates that look nice and pretty. And if you are feeling stuck or unsure, please reach out to a professional, even if it's just for a consultation. Trust me, it will be worth it and it will make a world of a difference for your business. As always, I love to hear from you in the comments. Are you more of a DIY person or do you prefer working with a professional? Either way, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this one. See you next time.